Auxiliary boiler, a boiler that supplies steam for essential auxiliary purposes, but not for main propulsion. Auxiliary machinery, auxiliaries, a term applied collectively to all machinery and apparatus forming the non-propulsive equipment of a ship. Deck auxiliaries, deck equipment, deck machinery, all machinery used for working the vessel and handling the cargo. Winches, windlass, steering gear, cranes, etc. Engine room auxiliaries, all machinery in the engine room which assist in the working of the propulsion plant, coolers, heaters, pumps, separators, etc. Auxiliary propulsion drive, take-home system, propulsion system that consists of a medium-speed diesel engine, a reduction gear with power take-in, PTI drive, a shaft generator, and CP propeller. In normal operation at sea, the CP propeller is driven by the main engine and a part of the engine power can be supplied to the shaft generator to produce electricity. When the main engine is out of operation, the ship can be propelled by using the shaft generator as an electric motor supplied by the diesel generators. Average. 1. This is the marine insurance term for a partial loss. Particular charges are not to be included when calculating average. 2. The numerical result obtained by dividing the sum of two or more quantities by the number of quantities. Average adjusters. In general, average affairs adjusters are entrusted with the task of apportioning the loss and expenditure over the parties interested in the maritime venture and to determine which expenses are to be regarded as average or general average. Away. Description of the situation when the anchor has just been lifted from the seabed. Awnings, sheets of canvas or similar material, erected above weather decks to provide shade and shelter. AZIPOD, Azimuthing podded drive. AZIPOD is the electrically driven propulsor with an AC motor incorporated in a streamlined azimuthing pod unit directly driving a fixed-pitch propeller. The motor is controlled by a frequency converter, which produces full nominal torque in either direction over the entire speed range, including standstill. Over-torque can also be utilized, e.g. in ice-going vessels. Each AZIPOD propulsion system is individually designed and optimized to achieve maximum performance. The idea of placing an electric motor inside a submerged propulsion pod has been around for some time, but it was not until the late 1980s the Kvaerner Mosse yards teamed with ABB Stromberg drives to develop the first practical podded main propulsion system. The 1.5 megawatt AZIPOD propulsion unit was installed on the waterway service vessel, Saley, delivered in December 1990. In 1994, the existing propulsion installation of the 16,000 WTT Arctic tanker UIKKU was replaced by a cycloconverter-controlled 11.4 megawatts AZIPOD drive. Sea trial results were encouraging. The same trial speed at the same shaft speed was achieved as in the original trials. However, remarkable improvements were found in the maneuverability.